Hi guys, it's Martin G, aka Netpreneur here again, and today we'll be checking out another awesome product known as Facebook Instant Profit, a comprehensive guide that teaches you how to generate targeted visitors every day to an offer in any niche by using Facebook groups without spending a dime on paid ads that might not convert. As usual, guys, make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you can grab my super exclusive bonus for Facebook Instant Profit from the link in the description below. Now, without wasting any further time, let's go straight to the business of the day. So, like I said, Facebook Instant Profit is basically a comprehensive guide that reveals how you can generate thousands of lazy targeted traffic every day to an offer in any niche using Facebook groups only. And with this guide, you don't need to spend a dime on paid ads that might not convert. Yeah, that's what Facebook Instant Profit does. Now let's check out the sales page so you can learn more about Facebook Instant Profit, and you can also know the mastermind behind this creation. His name is John Anavio Norire, a six-figure affiliate marketer and my very good friend. Trust me, you're gonna love what I'm about to reveal to you. So sit back, grab a bowl of popcorn, and watch me dissect Facebook Instant Profit. Okay, guys, so like I said, Facebook Instant Profit is the easiest way for anyone to double their website traffic, get fresh leads, and high conversion without any manual work. And you can begin to conquer new customers in just 3 simple steps. And I'm going to take you through the steps one after the other. So, first of all, with Facebook Instant Traffic or Facebook Instant Profit, you can discover where your audience and customers are online 247, then connect your Facebook profile. Secondly, you can reach out to millions of potential targeted customers in just one click. With over 8,000 plus lists of public Facebook advertising group available and the Facebook Instant Profit Guide. Thirdly, you can monetize your traffic to win new customers and boost your business for more leads, commissions, and sales. First things first, why Facebook and Facebook groups? I'll tell you why. Facebook is the world's most visited and fastest growing social network, and it is what is going to make you bank big effortlessly in 2021 and beyond. Do you know why? Because every second there are 300,000 people on Facebook. Users spend 40 minutes per day on average on Facebook. You have 486 183 users a minute access Facebook from their mobile phones or mobile devices, and you have about 3 million posts made on Facebook every minute. In addition, there are half a million friend requests every 10 minutes and over 1.4 billion of Facebook's estimated 2.2 billion monthly active users check their groups every month. Now imagine you posting your offers to this group. Be sure to have eyes on them, and it's going to convert to clicks and traffic to whatever you're trying to promote. Yeah, the truth is, Facebook platform is where the money is in 2021, and it's that simple. I'll tell you why. Facebook is the third biggest domain or the third most visited website in the US by traffic statistics. And as you can see, it's only third behind YouTube and Google with an estimated 39.15%. That's about 1.54 billion users alone. Now that's huge, very huge. Another fact you should know is 800 million people are members of meaningful Facebook groups, and this number has doubled in the last year, supporting Facebook's 5 year goal of 1 billion meaningful members. This is massive. With over 1.32 billion daily active users, Facebook is the most widely used social media platform, and it's set to hit 2.48 billion by 2021. It's clear people love using Facebook to connect or perhaps build their business from it. So you understand millions on Facebook, but why the hell are you not making money from it? Keep scrolling down and I'll tell you why. Okay, So this is the product I'm talking about, Facebook Instant Profit. And if you tired of not making money from Facebook, then this is the solution you need. Because with this book or with this guide, you can generate thousands of laser targeted visitors every day to any offer in any niche using just Facebook groups. And you don't have to spend a dime on paid ads that might not convert. Now, with this guide, you can get access to over 8,000 plus highly targeted advertising Facebook groups with millions of like minded marketers who are ready to click on your offer and purchase whatever you're selling. These groups are saved in three formats: in Excel, the PDF, and Word document, which makes them accessible in just one click. They all organized and in a spreadsheet with the group's name and link, and you can easily check out these groups, join them, participate actively, and start making or driving laser targeted traffic to your offers. That's how easy it is. What you can, here's more. Let's check out what you can do with this huge list of advertising Facebook group. You can use it to promote your own products in any niche. You can use it to drive targeted traffic to anywhere. You can sell your own products indirectly in these groups. You can use it to build and grow your YouTube channel. You can use it to get fresh leads every day. Get more friends and followers from Facebook. Use them as a free giveaway bonus package. You can also resell these groups and make money and keep 100% profit. So it's a win-win situation for you. In addition, you can get traffic to your websites and niche blogs 24/7 by using this guide, and you can sell your own products, make huge opt-in subscribers list in different niches. I personally use this guide to build a 2,000 plus Fiverr subscribers list, and I've made over 5 figures by promoting Fiverr related products to that list. That's how powerful this guide is. In addition, you can promote affiliate programs in any niche. You can also create brand awareness and brand perception. You can promote your Facebook page, and this guide presents you an easy way to promote niche membership offers. And lastly, you can promote your own Facebook group. So let's check out what's is actually inside this guide, what you get inside if you purchase Facebook Instant Profit. First of all, you have access to 8,000 plus Facebook advertising groups, and you have 10 different niche Facebook groups. You have a cheat sheet to instant profit, and like I mentioned earlier, all of this is done for you. All the hard work has been done, and it's been arranged and grouped, so you can easily go to affiliate marketing groups and you can find online marketing groups, business, technology, fund, make money, network marketing. So it's all been arranged for you. You just have to check out which one you interests you. You click on the link and you join. That's how easy it is. And what's more is that you can get this guide and all its goodness and freebies for just $9 only. But this is the early bird offer. This price is going to go up to 3 times or 4 times or 5 times its current price after the launch. So, like I always tell you, the early bird catches the worm, and I'm advising you to take advantage now and strike while the iron is hot. Fortune favors the brave, and action takers always get rewarded. So, if I was you, I will click on this button now to grab my copy of Facebook Instant Profit. In addition, I've also added another bonus for you, a bonus package to sweeten this deal. But first, let's check out the bonuses that you're going to get. If you click this button now and purchase Facebook Instant Profit right here, right now. So the bonus, you have about 6 different bonuses valued at about over $1,000. And the first is the Facebook ads solution. You learn how to create your own profitable Facebook ads campaign, and it's a step-by-step with 11 model video course with practical applications. The second is the Facebook auto machine. With this super bonus, you discover how to create a passive income stream and complete autopilot while harnessing the power of Facebook and eBay. The third bonus is the Facebook social engine. With this powerful tool, you will have the ability to lock any page on your site and make it visible only if the visitor likes, share, follows, or subscribe. And the fourth bonus is the Facebook Response X. This allows you to hide and delete unwanted comment from your Facebook page post. It also contains a feature to auto-comment reply with image, GIF, or video to make comment reply more attractive. The fifth bonus is the Facebook Audience Booster. With this tool, you'll be able to build a super targeted Facebook audience for your campaigns by collecting and extracting user data, name and ID from many posts on Facebook pages, groups, events, and save the data to a text file. Last but not the least is a one-click high-paying client extractor software. This is a simple but breathtaking tool for extracting data of local clients in any geographical area that would be interested in your agency services. So, who's actually the brain behind this masterpiece? Who put together this incredible product for us for a ridiculously low one-time fee? Let's check him out. Let's check out the product creator. So, like I said, his name is John Anabi, and he's a personal Facebook friend. He's a six-figure athlete marketer on JV, Zoo, and Warrior Plus, and he's a good person. I'm telling you because I've interacted with him one-on-one several times. He's a role model, actually. So this is John and I've loaded for you, and I tell you, anything he touches is gold. So guys, like I said, I added several bonuses for Facebook Instant Profit, and let's check out my bonuses which I prepare for you. So my special bonuses for Facebook Instant Profit, it's valued at over $1,199. And if you buy Facebook Instant Profit through a link on this page, you'll receive all my special bonuses valued at $1,999 listed below. So my first bonus is the Auto Video Creator, and you can use the software to create high quality videos to upload on your website or video sharing sites such as YouTube and Vimeo. Second bonus is the e-cover creator, and if you're tired of paying huge sums of money to graphic designers for e-covers, you need this. The third bonus is the Turbo GIF animator. You can make animated images in less than a minute using this tool. And the fourth bonus is the Easy Voice. Paying voiceover artists to create voiceovers for you is expensive, and if you are on a tight budget like myself, then you need this. The fifth tool of my fifth bonus is the keyword suggestion software. So if you're a content creator, a website master, a YouTuber, a blogger, or whatever, you're sure gonna need be doing keyword researches every now and then. Well, this software is going to make it easy, super easy for you. So if you're a content creator, you need this. And last but not the least is the YouTube playlist. With this software, you can create killer-looking YouTube playlist sites in minutes. So how can you claim these bonuses? You can do that by simply grabbing a copy of Facebook Instant Profit by clicking any of the buttons on this page, and your bonuses will be delivered on the download page. Like I always say, my fast action bonuses for Facebook Instant Profit is only available for first 20 persons, so the first 20 action takers. And believe me, 15 persons have booked their slots, so I just have 5 slots left. So if you want to be among the lucky 5, take action now and click on the buy now button. Alright guys, so this is all you need to know about Facebook Instant Profit, and I do encourage you to get this because it's time to start cashing out from Facebook. Facebook isn't just for chatting and interacting or social interactions or connecting with friends and loved ones. You can also make a lot of money from Facebook, and this guide here, Facebook Instant Profit, will show you how it's done from A to Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification icon, especially if this is your first time of watching my videos. Bye for now. Keep your eyes peeled to the ground for my next video. I love you. Signing out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share my contents on your social media platforms, and subscribe to my channel.